Good morning. Does anyone else think we're all gonna die? Um, I was asleep all of yesterday during the day. Girlfriend came over Sunday night, and we were up till I don't know, early morning. Woke up like midnight tonight. Saw the movements. Funny, I thought things were looking good actually too on Sunday. Think going into Monday, I was like, I fucking should probably long, 'cause I feel like just like last Monday, this Monday, the price is actually gonna go up. We've changed now. Where last week the price went up on Monday. I thought it would too. Didn't enter any trades. Obviously, I was with my girl and everything, and so missed out on that one. But the higher time frames haven't really. Well, I mean, there you go. There's a nice little green dot in the 2 day. Daily little formation on the money flow, not bad. Pattern looks good here. We've been doing this thing, Bitcoin specifically, on multiple time frames. Gareth Soloway actually kind of brought it up too, where we've been just lately, recently, like after a dip, come to the dip, and then it shoots back up again in multiple time frames. I think that is certainly possible. We might not be living much longer. Ever the pro isolate Russia propaganda, putting Ukraine in NATO, so that they just want everyone to come in so they can fight. I'm telling you, they're pushing this shit. We need a fucking miracle. We need a miracle. Other than that, 4 hour looks good as far as trading goes. So this looks good. Nice tight RSIs. This, oil's probably looking good too. What's going on with our oil? Huh. So we're all gonna die soon, but we can make a good amount. You know, I wish I was president. If I was president, none of this shit would be happening. All of it could be easily stopped. There was much room for peace. But there's one train of thought that has been poking the bear and poking the bear, and eventually the bear is gonna swipe. Now, this might be good for our gains, oil, even crypto. But I'd give it all up for peace. I'd give it all away for peace. In fact, I'm pretty sure I can afford these politicians. We can afford it. You know, instead of our YouTube donations going to charity, it should be going towards these slimy fucks. Because these politicians sell out for cheap. They sell it for 50 grand, 100 grand. Once in a while you get one that sells out for $1 million house. That's a rare case. That's like Pelosi shit. We can afford that. I can afford that. We need more good rich men lobbying. We didn't vote for this either. The election was stolen. We did not protect our voting. Bad overcame good. Crypto, Bitcoin's not going to stop pumping. It's we could have a little more to go here, folks. This Bitcoin's looks really good. Looks like you can do another 5 or 10 easily on these lower time frames. Pattern's good. This is looks good. A lot of room to the next spidey line on this one. On this one, we're just breaking over it. Yeah, 47, 47. What would that be? 8%. Yeah, I was asleep all day yesterday, so the election was stolen. There were plenty of audits, not recounts, talking audits of dumps of fake scribbled signatures. You just refuse to see the evidence and look at it. I ain't no brainwashed motherfucker. I never chose a side. I always just said I am me, and my research and my thoughts will go with whoever, whatever. I ain't loyal to nothing that ain't gonna be loyal back to me. I ain't stupid. the cyber companies that did the audits. That's your evidence. I've given the links on streams. Man, it was funny. I was just watching this. Fuck, I wanted to save it and show it on the stream, but they were doing a live interview, you know, with the EU Council and some shit. And this lady, they went to this lady, and she was like, on one hand, you know, the whole Ukraine shit's really bad, and they can't say no. On the other hand, if they say yes, and then they cut the feed. She was about to say if they say yes, well, that damn near means World War III, and all of NATO's army's going to go in there, and then shit's going to get even worse. And they cut the fucking feed off this fucking lady. I was like, Jesus Christ, they're showing one fucking side, clapping. None of them having to go to fucking war themselves. None of them are carrying guns at the forefront. If you decide to do some military shit or back anyone doing so, your ass needs to be in there too. And if not, then you don't make the fucking decision. It's more than two sides to every story. My girlfriend was in Ukraine in 2016. Her and her friends went to a sushi place. The next day, that sushi place was leveled by who? Well, not Putin. It was from their implanted government from 2014. They're bombing their own people. They were praying for Putin to come in back then. And he did. Save their ass. Anyways, I really don't want to fucking go off on a political tangent, but it makes me sick. All this shit makes me sick. And you know, it's like, you know, I'm thinking, I'll tell you, if there's a place to move, is you know, originally I was thinking China, because you know me. But Singapore is probably the place to go. You're nestled up right next to China, but have a little bit of, you know, freedom and capitalism. You just have to take your whole family. Yeah. Make another cup of coffee. I'll be right back.
Is gold up? Dude, is gold? Is gold? Tell me gold broke 2,000. Oil broke 100. Tell me gold broke 2,000. No. Yeah. Oil's gonna this ooh. Ooh.
You know, it's hard to be positive about anything. But, yeah, that's right. You think oil's at an all-time high. Yeah. Yeah. The fuck? I could have swore, when we marked the double scrotum. Whoops. I could have swore we had that sound clip. Guess not. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, sir, Jeep thing. I hear you, brother. Yeah, I would be a. It is certainly is a double scrotum. It's funny that you guys mentioned that. Boy, shout out to. Damn, that'd be a great bingo password. Uh, yeah, this looks like our first and most famous pattern. I won't draw it because, you know, this channel has grown. We're not just a group of a couple thousand people. You have to adjust the video quality, bro. Click on the cogwheel and change it to like 720. I don't use OBS, so I use XSplit, and apparently they can only do 720 is good enough, bro. You get go to fucking 720. We're looking at numbers. We got some momentum coming up here. Look at that on the 3-day, 4-day. Look at that pair of snake eyes. building up to a potential trigger wave here. Nice little curvature on this little VWAP right here. Interesting. Yeah. How long would this be? 7 days. 6 days. That was similar. Huh. Yeah. There is no KWK, bro. Of course I'm still on oil, bro. I have a 2 and 3/4 year plan for oil. If we live that long, we can avoid mass annihilation. Which reminds me, shit, we have a new song I haven't listened to. We have a new song that we have not listened to. Let me pull it up. Hang on a second. Let me go on total mute and plug my headphones in. Hopefully it doesn't blow your ears out. Okay. Alright, one moment. Alright, one moment.
don't need validation from other people. You don't need a fan club. All you need is you.
All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport. All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport.
Put a trade in long, put a trade in short. Every time I'm on vacation, checking in at a resort. I don't argue no more, ain't no going back and forth. Fuck around and get sued, probably some you can't afford. Don't think I won't pull the cord, turn your motherfucking power off. Black on black, Michael Knight, David Hasselhoff. Hate I had to cut them off, but sometimes it be like that. Everybody ain't in your best interest, I'm just spitting the facts. Money, that's what hate attract, but I gotta have it, Jack. Ain't no way around it, give it to me, you can't have it back. Money, that's what hate attract, but I gotta have it, Jack. Ain't no way around it, give it to me, you can't have it back.
All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport. All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport.
Haters tried to bury you, but they forgot you was a seed. Overcoming obstacles because you a different breed. Hard times made you stronger, that's a fact, yes indeed. Yes, the last shall be first, time for us to take the lead. All that hating you been doing ain't healthy. Protect me from the fake, Lord please God help me. You'll never be rich, hating on the wealthy. Rule number one, stop being so petty. I don't think you ready. Maybe in the next life, maybe you will check yourself as soon as you ain't thinking right. I don't think you ready. Maybe in the next life, maybe you will check yourself as soon as you ain't thinking right.
All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport. All this money I've been making, get real hard for me to count. See them getting to the money, now they coming back around. Back with you and I was grinding, all I wanted was support. Chasing bag after bag, I done turned it to a sport. 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 A sport. A sport.
All right, that shit went pretty hard, man. That the beef in that was tough. I think we got another one too. I think we may have another one.
Trying to hear the lick.
I be on a mission every day, looking for them low cap gems. I be on Coin Market Cap, Coin Gecko.
I'm just trying to hear the lick.
I be on Dex Tools. I'm just trying to get this money.
Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah I know bro, but I still do the shit.
Rocket going up and down, kinda like elliptical. When it gets critical, I get analytical. Bear market got me sweating like I'm doing cardio. Crypto face make them trades till he can't no more. Big bad wolf of Wall Street, Leo DiCaprio. Miami Beach smashing Rari, what a dope scenario. I can't make this shit up, never been Pinocchio. All these shit coins popping up, I don't know which one to buy. Yeah, I read the white paper, but that shit might be a lie. Need to buy some more crypto wallet already full. And it ain't my last, homie. Hope it's not a rug pull. KuCoin swap USDT, cause I needed BNB. Sent it over to the MetaMask. How long will it last? Oh no, FOMO kicked in like a dojo. By now or never, YOLO. Feeling like the crypto Pablo. Scared man don't make the money shit, you know the motto.
Missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. I'm just trying to hit her. Been
buying this crypto like ain't no tomorrow. Cause I do not want to beg, still a borrow. Borrow. I am so bullish like I'm from Chicago. Took all my money up out of where's Fargo. Then I invested in crypto, yeah, I took a chance. Fuck rockin' Gucci, I got on some Vans. Baby in crypto, how about it? Advance. Peer-to-peer transaction, no middleman. Copy the address and check either scan. Later in crypto, you know what I'm saying. Went up on Sandbox and bought me some land. Early retirement, yeah, that's the plan. Market cipher, yeah, that's the brand. Watch what you say in the chat or get banned. Hold it on tight, yeah, I got diamond hands. Didn't want to miss out, so I FOMO'd again. Said I wouldn't do it, but I got put in. Spit me a megaverse up in this metaverse. Killing these tracks, had to put them up in a hearse. Dress them up nicely and put them up in the dirt. I had to get to work. Learn about crypto cause man it's the future. Took my position just like Kama Sutra. No taking days off, I'm not Ferris Bueller. Learn from the best crypto faces, my tutor. The code is to do it, watch how he maneuver. In and out quickly like an intruder. Caressing my ledger just like a seducer.
Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. Fear of missing out, FOMO, that's a no-no, yeah, I know, bro. But I still do this shit. I'm just trying to hit a lick. I'm just trying to hit a lick. I'm just trying to hit a lick.
Damn. That shit was hard. Bravo. Crown Chakra, man. That shit was single manly tear, man. Shout out the market cipher, man. Shout out the market cipher, man. 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 get rich before dying, you know what I'm saying? Get rich before dying, man. Time is. Boy, that was a nice trigger wave right there, huh? Nice little V-wappage right there, huh? Yeah, is there any news with the whole pulse thing? I've sacrificed all kinds of shit. I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting. Nothing's gonna be destroyed. You're scared. That's what they want. You should be fucking scared. You're an idiot. They want you not to be scared. So you keep doing dumbass shit. That's gonna fuck up the future. Can't see it past your nose. And that's saying a lot coming from me. Should be scared. Crown chakra. Yeah, what did the stock market do yesterday? Did it go up, down, sideways? Merch sport check email. Okay. They're all asleep right now, brother, but they'll check it in the morning. always market in? No. But many time. Because if I'm setting limit orders, it'll just won't take it. I'll keep moving the price up. It all depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. I don't really sweat the couple thousand in fees. This thing is most likely overall should continue. Look at the momentum, we're over the 60 line. For now, we probably have we're on the 20 minute actually. Okay, so this is gonna have to come down a little bit, or not. You know, it doesn't have to come down like this one. It can just come down a little bit, but right now this low time frame looks pretty fucking good. Still looks good. Here again, probably maybe a small little pullback around, maybe a little under a year, maybe down to 44.2 or something at worst. I don't know, but overall, to me, this is an overall 2 hour looks great. The VWAP, this little VWAP coming up. I don't see why people are calling for major corrections right now. It don't look like it to me. There might be slight pauses where we're chilling right now, but I believe this is most likely going to continue. That's just me for now. Subject to change. But this 4 hours pretty strong. I mean, look at it. We have a Cerberus green dots. Money flow finally started to churn. Momentum, anchors, trigger coming up. Momentum coming up. RSIs look nice and tight and strong right now. Yeah, I think, I don't know how long. I can't give you a timetable of how long, you know, we'll be in this range, but maybe not too long. The weekly ain't really saying much at all. Like, obviously there was this fight here, and right now, yeah, there's a little fight. I ain't see much from the weekly here. There's a little green dot there. VWAP coming up overall. Overall's been gaining strength. It's at this 0 line point now. I think I can add more to this position too. I haven't withdrawn anything past few days. This is why I mark it in. You try to put a limit in the book, immediately sees it and said, "Oh, okay, all right, okay." Mark this fucking. Oh yeah. Speaking of the dual band strength index, dang, looking good right now on the hourly. Dual band strength index is a combination of about 36 different indicators, confirmations, and bullshits. When it's a high number, it's good. On the opposite end, the -5, it's bad for that end. Right now, it's at the -5, increasing on the bull side. Me likey, me likey. It's gonna certainly increase our average entry up. In fact, let me definitely bumped us up from where we were before. We were, I believe, right about here. I think it was 43,645 was my original entry. So it bumped us up another, third since we put another mill in. Should deposit more to this account. I always say that. I certainly do use the dual band strength index, brother. I use every motherfucking thing. Damn, ETH. I should ape more into this one too. Yeah. This world's going to hell. This world's going to hell. Bunch of damn fools running these countries. Fools. Yes, you are not going to hell, Angel of Truth. Correct me. These pricks running things are going to hell. They're just gonna bring hell on earth. Right on, bro. Yeah, the spider lines are kick-ass, aren't they? Kick-ass. Why is my mouse being stupid? Yeah, probably should have waited for this little wave to come down before aping in a little more. Oh well. So, anybody see any good movies lately? Bleh. Been some good UFO shit last few days. Hopefully, these aliens, you know, the aliens who just take the leaders and butt prong them and turn them into javelin fucking. I had an abduction dream once. My butthole didn't hurt the next day, so that's good. What about your jaw? That was fucking funny. No, but at 5, I was conscious like pretty much it was we're not gonna go into it. We're not gonna go into it. Ah, fuck it. I might as well go into it. I remember it very clearly. I remember every single second of it. There was 3 phases. The first phase, I was with my family, immediate family, in a house, and like I got a message. I got like a letter that I was chosen, that I would be chosen, and a female was chosen. And I got the chance, said goodbye to my family. Like, it just felt like, you know, yeah, it sucks to leave my family, but like I had to go. You know, I was chosen. So after I said goodbye to my family, I was like, I remember like, all right, I'm ready. It's hard for me to tell. I'm like scared to tell this story because people are gonna like think I'm crazy or some shit. Okay, it's just a story, just a dream. I promise. So went into this ship, and what I remember is walking into a room where there was a like not a teller, like a front desk with nobody there, and there were naked girls all spazzing and basically humping walls. There was like 8 of them, and they were all really fucking hot. They were like like seizuring, humping the walls and shit. And I remember feeling like I was duped, and I had a real conscious thought process to myself, like I was duped. This isn't what I thought it would be. I left my family, but if I'm gonna be here, it could be worse because I'm surrounded by a bunch of really beautiful women, even though they're fucking like seizuring naked against the walls and shit. So after I saw those images, I walked into another room of complete darkness, and that was the second phase. When I went into darkness, I then woke up and I was chained to like a hospital bed type of surrounding with a yellowish orange. The light was yellowish orange, and I was stuck looking left, and I remember just fighting like, come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. And then after a long, probably like 30 seconds, I woke up. And I was at my friend's house. And, she didn't tell me, but, the next day, my friend hit me up. And he's like, yo, bro, my mom said, I was sleeping on the couch in the main room. Like, my mom said she heard you whining like a little bitch last night. Like, like freaking the fuck out. And yeah, I've never, that shit has never happened since. Never fucking had a dream like that again. What's up, Wendy? So yeah, maybe, you know, there's a part of the story I'm leaving out too, which was what happened that night. But I can't tell you guys that. Yeah, sleeping paralysis. I've had multiple. Yeah. We're getting too deep into CF's personal life. We're not talking about these things anymore. Have I ever wanted a yacht? No, man, because I know boats, man. You know, I come from a boating family of, and boats take work and upkeep, and well, I don't need a fucking yacht. I'll go on a cruise. Go on a nice cruise. Ugh. Uh, the markets are opening soon, aren't they? Let's see. Oil 7-year high, yeah. It's still $100.86. Yeah. Right on, duper. Dude, sometimes it's the simple things, man. I tell you, in this day and age, it's common sense and simpleness is the path to riches. It used to be you go to college and a minority goes to college, not a majority. Now it's the opposite. You go to college, you get fucked and steeped in deep debt. And for many, college is the right choice. Typically everybody does, duper. Just like counting cards. Bro, stop asking for help, man. Just stop asking for money. Get the fuck out of here. Um, just like counting cards. People think it's super complicated when really there's just one or two little tricks you didn't know before that make it all come together. Make it much easier. Little curvature potential coming up there on the B-Womp. Are we bullish? I am. I believe. I don't know when, but maybe to even today. Sometime. I think we can get up here at least maybe even wick to the force field. 47 something. I don't know. That's just me. We got a Cerberus of green dots, a 3-headed bit boy dog. Trigger waves, momentum still coming to the upside. We are at a higher high on momentum by a big margin over the 60 line. Even if it was going to cross, typically, especially on these higher time frames, when a momentum wave goes over the 60 line for the first time, it at least has one more go to touch it or go over it, and price action would follow it. So damn, ETH. Good thing we aped into that, oh boys. Oh, what? Did I misread something? I thought... I thought this said 3,400 or something for a second. Oh well. Still good. Not right now, Perone. It's early. Yes, you go to marketcipher.com in the description, or marketciphertrading.com. Both lead you to the same place. Beautiful picture of a little basic strategy here. Of course, I still own the Ferrari, bruh. Took it out, oh man, I took the Ferrari out for nice spin on Sunday too, man. I was letting it rip a little bit on a few straightaways. Man, that car is like, there's just nothing like when you're when you're like just all in on the gas and shifting that thing goes fucking, there's missiles blowing out of the fucking rear of that car. There's no sound like it. It goes and I just love the slingshot feeling when I'm flipping my right paddles. Oh, it's so good. But you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. And I do my best to be careful. I don't be ripping that shit when there's no one in front of me. But I know a couple decent roads where the straightaways are long and there's not many cars. Yeah, and my shit's modded. It ain't no stock. It's fast enough stock, but yeah, I mean, I didn't really do a good imitation of it. And the sound changes the more it heats up. And I just, man, when that both the turbos are warmed up and I just feel the ass of my car getting bigger and bigger. It's like I always say, it's like a Gundam wing. It's like the back of my car, I can just feel it just opening and wanting more air, more air, more air. I mean, come on, come on. That car gets better as it heats up, warms up, man. Yeah. Yeah, the next house I go in's definitely gonna have a bigger garage. Maybe I should get a couple more Raris. I don't like racing other people on the street because other people are fucking retarded and don't know how to control their damn cars. And I ain't gonna get in trouble for someone else wrecking their life or someone else's. Man, speaking of Corvette, one of them revved at me on Sunday, and it was loud as fuck. It jump scared me. He was coming the other way. He went, "Chow!" So whatever sport package is on the new Corvettes, I'm guessing that he had, it sounded loud as fuck. It was a nice rev. I'm like, God damn, the fuck was that? So. Yeah. Again, not surprised if price comes down a little bit. Oops. But things don't always happen when we want them to, you know what I'm saying? And I mean, if I exit the position, it's like, well, is it going to come down just halfway? If I exit the position, then I lose my grounding. What if it go down to here and then stops and turn back? You know? Yeah, this ETH wave coming. I'm thinking. Been thinking. That's right, yeah, market's just opened. The market's just opened. How's Raytheon? Hoo-wee. What a surprise. Yep, we longed that shit. We knew when that shit was fucking oil war stocks. November 5th, 2020. We went ham. Damn, now we're getting shit on. Now we're getting shit on. The charts never lie. What am I doing? What have I done? What am I doing? I'm losing it all. I'm losing it all. This wasn't supposed to happen. Manipulation. Manipulation.
Fucking Windows 98!
The fuck, man? God darn it. Darn it. Oh, we're getting shit on. I should've listened. I told you so. Yeah, man, hey, sometimes you don't know how much it'll do something. In hindsight, it's really not that much. You know what I'm saying? But again, we're expecting a little consolidation for a little bit of time. Hell, I mean, technically, even this could happen where it comes down for a day, and then goes up higher if this money flow continues. That's the idea. That can happen. Why won't these go away? These damn aliens. The little triangle aliens. We have a UFO right here. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. This is always a truth stream to my best ability. My truth. My truth. My truth hurts. Like my butthole. Oh. My truth. Take a look at how our... Oh, okay, here. We've got 5 more minutes. Few more minutes for a few more exchanges to open for the day. New exchanges opening in a few minutes. I should have taken profits when we were up here, huh? We saw the signs. We saw the signs. Maybe she can hold. Yeah. Raid night tonight, actually. Yeah. USO. Let's take a look, baby. Come on, I'm heavy. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Oh yes, okay, so are my reports in? Yes. Hell yeah, baby. USO is my top gainer. Actually, no, it's not percentage wise. Fucking oil K, baby. Riot. Fucking SPP, that's silver. DBO, let's go. 2.65. USO, oil K. LMT. CPE up 1. DBO up 265. Nice. Hopefully this fucking shit fucking recovers for Pete's sake. Yeah, you know, what game do you want to play? You know what I mean? Are you playing the swing? Are you scalping? Are you slalping? Swing scalping? Loser. Go, baby. Dang, those 3 dots are there again. Look. Oh, this isn't supposed to happen. Yeah, folks, we saw it coming. We saw it coming. Adding more? Hell no, bro. I might, I don't think it's really gonna go down much, but no, it needs to have a little bit of time. It needs a little bit of time to chill out. This looks totally natural. It's a nice curve down here on the 25 on ETH. I might close the ETH and re-enter on that. To be honest, I'd be better off sleeping, because then I wouldn't be sitting here gawking at the screen with the pencil next and just letting things macro take their place. Which I do believe overall would be higher. Yeah, you know, if I didn't ape in that other million, I'd still be in the green. Our first entry was 43,645. We'd still be in the green. I blame you guys. You guys wanted me to do it. You guys wanted me to do it. I didn't. I didn't. I didn't. Trying to be entertaining. Trying to be entertaining. I'm not trying to take profits on just 50K. I'm looking for a bigger move. I'm in this trade for a bigger move. But okay, that's a good sign. I'm not in this trade for another 50K. I'm in this trade for 500. Man, if I am somehow able to catch one up into the force field, shit, I'd 3.7. What would ETH be? My calculation. Maybe like something 8%. 8% of 3.7 million. That's it. Jesus Christ. I need to increase my damn... I need to put some more money in this damn account. I should have taken the 50 grand. Take some sleep, duper. I just slept like a full day. I am very well rested. You guys didn't hear a peep out of me Monday. Bruh, I was asleep. Alright, we lost 30 grand. Alright, I'm gonna go play some video games. I'll see you guys later. We'll see if we can catch a bottom later or something. Peace.